Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, and this quick video is to summarize what's going on for tomorrow, which is Lesson 35 on Wednesday, November 18th. So a few things. First of all, I and my family are now quarantined. My oldest 17-year-old son technically and officially has COVID, and my wife thinks that she has it. The other three of us are doing fine, but my wife and son cannot taste or smell anything, and other than some minor headaches that they have, that's all they have going on. So it's definitely creeping up in Colorado Springs, and it's impacted my family, so I will not be at the Air Force Academy live or in person, certainly in class, but even in my office for the next couple weeks. But with that being said, I want to wish you guys the best of luck and hope that you guys are hanging in there. A few things. I've got really three things covered. I'm going to make this short and sweet. So first of all, I'm still grading all the short answer tests that you guys were so gracious to submit. Those grades should be posted by the end of this week. I'm working through those slowly but surely, and I will get those out to you guys. And of course, at any time, if you have a question about your grades, just let me know. Send me a quick chat. Let me know where you stand or what kind of question you have specifically, and I'll give you a rundown of where we are for that. Give me the end of this week, though, okay? You can start with those questions next week as needed. I've been writing lots of letters of recommendations for seniors now that are about to graduate. They're headed off to grad school at various locations, or they're applying to grad schools at various locations. So I say that only to remind you guys that you are sophomores now and you can barely see till the end of the semester, but you will soon be seniors that are graduating and moving on to do bigger and better things in the Air Force. And I would encourage you to stay in touch with me. I will provide you my civilian email address as the semester winds down. And if you ever need a letter of recommendation, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I've had a lot of cadets do that, and I've been spending a fair amount of time just connecting with old cadets from 2 years ago that are now graduating. So I hope that we can still have that same kind of relationship in a couple of years, even though that I'm a distant memory and you've moved on. But you'll know that I'm here to help out as needed. Last thing, so today's lesson for Wednesday, we're talking about centers of gravity. It's a kind of a complex thing because it's kind of a deep, intense lesson where we not only identify the center of gravity, but we identify the critical vulnerabilities of those things. I've posted a few videos as well from a guy named Dr. Dale Eckmeyer. He teaches at the Army War College, and they're kind of boring videos, okay, but they're extremely informative. The first one's 11 minutes long, the second one's about 16 minutes long, so whereby we are not meeting as a class to discuss a lot of things. I would encourage you to do the readings and take a moment to review the videos that Dr. Eckmeyer has posted on YouTube. So again, he's not the most engaging speaker. He will make me look like a champion teacher in terms of his engagement and his excitement, but he's very knowledgeable. He'll make me look like an idiot when it comes to content and the ability to explain good details about the center of gravity analysis. So I would encourage you to please look at those video links that I'm going to post. And continue to stay plugged in as a group. Your priorities between now and Friday are to do a couple things each day. Complete the discussion boards for 10-point sheets each, of course, and really you can do that as a group. The intent is to force you guys to engage and learn the content and discuss it as a group, because the questions will drive you to a deeper understanding of each of these phases of the operational design process. And secondly, you should be engaging with a group to come up with your operational design brief that will be presented next week on Tuesday and then on Friday after Thanksgiving. So we will have to figure out how to mitigate that and work through that as a team. I will send some guidance on that in the coming days, but we'll figure out a way to do that. And I'm flexible. We have some ideas that I can share with you guys later, but that's all we have. This is a 4-minute video. We're right on track. So if you have questions, hang in there. And I would again encourage all of the groups to please make time to connect with me, to give me a quick rundown of where you stand, ask questions if you have them. I will be online tomorrow at between 8:30 and 10:30, and I'm available anytime after that as well. So do not hesitate to ask if you have questions and engage with me as needed. Okay, thanks again, guys. Hang in there. I appreciate all you're doing and your good attitudes, and please let me know if and how I can help you in any way. All right, appreciate it.